good morning everyone. It's frigging windy. Oh, it's windy.
Take off.
It's windy. Come on. Something to do out. Oh, that's fucking wind. Alright, let's go. Well, I know which way the wind is blowing. I can see clouds going really quick, so there's no surprise there. Oh, I don't think I'm going to get much of a do today. The wind, like I say, is coming in and it is raining about 100, 200 metres away from me. It's not too bad. I've got like a patch of niceness, so I'm taking that. Alright, we're going to have a fly out with the original Mavic Air 1. A bit of a do. Oh, look at this, here we are. Plenty of sheep today. I hope we don't see any rain. It's possible it could rain. Hope not. Hope not. Where are we? Can we still see it? Look for the flash. Well, that's an old no. Man, you're not even there yet. Straight on from here. I'm at a place called White Collar, so yeah, it's alright to fly from here because it's very quiet. There's no one here, so it's alright. I'm just going to open this, go behind here because it seems a little windy. So, 10 miles an hour, which means it's windy as hell, which means we're hardly going anywhere. Give it a bit of a go today, a bit of a go out. This is not a range test, this is just a do out, you know, just a bit of a do. The wind. Aye, that wind is bad over the tops. This is what you call over the tops here. Yep. Come on, sheep. The sheep can hear it, so it must be screaming through. Oh, need to rise a little bit because we're going uphill. So we'll just all right. Motors. All right, I hear you. We haven't had the wind warning yet, but I'm sure it's on its way. I want to hug to the floor if I can a little bit. I'll just rise a little. All right, there we are. Like I say, we're always going uphill here. This is uphill, so I'm gonna watch it. Let's go a bit that way. Woohoo! Yep. The sheep can hear it. It's happening. Oh no, it's not raining here, is it? Shit. It is raining a little bit here. There's a few spots. How's the sheep taking to this? Oh, they can hear it. Okay. It might be worth bringing it back soon because the weather looks like it's coming this way. Yeah, the wind's blowing this way, but so's the weather, which means it's shit weather. Let's have a look over this hill. Get over here, eh? Well, these sheep hear it here. No, not too bad. Let's have a look. How are we doing? Oh, we've come off a bit. We've had a bit of bend, and that's because of the wind. No doubt, the wind is no good. Tell you what, we'll come back in a second. See, we'll come back in a sec. seem to be going out pretty well, even though the battery's going down. Oh, 60-something%. All right, should we head back at 56%? Come on, let's head back. I think we'll get back in good time. But what we'll do is we'll fly back nice and steady, okay? Nice and steady. Alrighty. Yeah, it's being blown, you see? Being blown. We'll crank on with that line. Hang on a minute. About there. Crank on with the line. Stay about there, that height. And we'll see, yeah? 14. Oh, shit. Coming back. 15. Coming back at the same pace. Oh, I thought it'd be quicker. I did. I thought it would be quicker. But it's not quicker. Oh, shit. Now you go. This is where you think to yourself, oh, I'm coming back quicker because, you know, I've gone out with wind. And for some reason, you're not coming back quicker. You're coming back the same bloody speed you were going out, which is shit. Well, never mind. That's how it is. It's not as if we can do anything now. I think over this hill we should get the wind. We should. Let's look at these sheep. Are they going to hear this now? Yep, they hear it. They're hearing it all right. Hear that bird? Yarra yarra bird, that. Yep. Famous over this part for making that bloody noise. In fact, we're coming back slower. Ooh, this is no good. We're coming back actually slower. Well, not slower, but not as fast as I thought. I thought we were coming back like 17, something like that. You know? It's got a little bit faster. A little faster. Yeah? Look at these walls here. I've had this mentioned before. Could you imagine building these walls, right? Just look at that. Look how long they are. I'll see you in 3 years when you've finished. Oh. Be hard work, wouldn't it? Back in the day. So. Yeah. Not good. 15 mile an hour. 15.5. Cruising. Cruising. So look, we can come down a bit because we're a little bit high. Have a look down here. Sometimes nice just look at the floor. Have a look. Yeah. We're in a dip here. Oh, we're coming back all right. We're coming back all right. Not to worry. It is getting really windy though. It is. This is why when you go out a bit and you think, yep, and it looks like the wind's blowing back towards this way, looks like I've gone out into the wind, you never know. You can think to yourself, oh, we're on a good one here and we'll come back pretty quick because of wind. But it didn't turn out to be that way. I think we were going out like 10 at first, but then we got up to like 14, 13, so always watch that. Well, it's going to start beeping soon. Hopefully we'll be back. It's going to beep at 30%. Hopefully we'll be back in within 2%, hopefully. Like I say, if you just excuse the beeping, it's going to come any second now, okay? But we should be back by then, hopefully. Let's have a look. Where are we? 30. Here we go.
Low battery warning.
Oh, I wish we could get away with that. It's annoying. I wish I knew where the speaker was for that. Could cover it up. It is annoying. Come on. Where are you? There you are. Woohoo! Right. We'll land it now. You're back. Relax, relax. All right, let's land it. Okay, time to land. Let's go back, go back, go back, go back.
Landing.
As per usual, Mavic Air back in one piece. Everything's good with it. It's good. All right. Not a very short flight, just a bit of a do, but the weather's shit at the minute, so until it improves, that's all we're going to get. So I hope you enjoyed that. See you later. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you will. And that's it. That's all I've got to say. See ya. Bye-bye.